my friend Hannah. I heard you bonked your head. I'm so sorry. I hope it's just a little bonk and that you're not feeling too bad, but I'm sorry to hear that you bonked your head. That's very much not fun whatsoever. So this video is just going to be for the piano part of your lesson, and then the rest of your lesson time, what I'm going to do is make you a listening list. So I'm going to put together a list of a few songs, not too many, maybe like 3 to 5, just for you to check out. And I want you to pick your top 2, and we're going to start one of them for singing next week, because I know this sounds crazy because it feels not too far into the year, but there are actually only 6 lessons after today until your end of the year recital. Isn't that crazy? It's coming up so fast. So we're going to choose your recital singing song and your recital piano song next week. So I'll make a list of a couple songs for each, for singing and for piano, for you to choose from. So this video is just going to be for your 2 piano books, theory and lesson. Let's start with lesson first. And we're on page 40 for this song. It's Gorilla in the Tree. It's a fun one. Okay, so this song is all left hand. So right hand gets to take a little bit of a vacation here. Your thumb, finger number 1, is starting on middle C. Let me move my camera. There you go. So your thumb, finger 1 is on middle C, and your finger 5, which is your pinky, is on F below that. So if you put your whole hand on the piano, and you put 1 finger on each note, your thumb landing on middle C will end up with your pinky on F, so you'll already be in the right position. Okay, so I'm going to play Gorilla in the Tree 3 different times for you. The first time I'm going to say the notes, the second time I'm going to say the fingers, actually 4 times. So first time I'll say notes, then I'll say the fingers, then I'll say the counting, and then the 4th time I'm just going to play it without saying anything. So first time around, let's practice our notes. I'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we'll start together. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, C, F, F, C, C, F, F, C, F, C, F, F, F. And we play the whole thing again. C, C, F, F, C, C, F, F, C, F, C, F, F, F. Now finger numbers, here we go. 1, 1, 5, 5, 1, 1, 5, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 5, 5. Whole thing again. 1, 1, 5, 5, 1, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 5, 5. Now counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so that's Gorilla in the Tree. Hopefully that went well for you. If it didn't, or if there's anything you want to go over, if you have any questions, if you're not sure of any notes, anything like that, make sure you remember to ask me in your next lesson. Okay, and let's look at the next song here on page number 41. I'll help you out in this video on line number 1, and then your homework on this page is going to be to find the notes on line number 2. And the good news is they're mostly the same. There's just a couple new notes on line number 2 that your homework is to figure out. So to start off, you want finger 3 in your left hand, which is your middle finger, on that same F that we just played. So it's the F below middle C. In your right hand, your thumb is going to be on middle C, finger 1. And your pinky, finger 5, is going to be on the G above that. So you only need 3 notes for this song. F in your left hand, C and G in your right hand. Okay, so let's look at the first line of the song here. The first note we have is our left hand, F. Then we have C in the right hand, G in the right hand, back to C, and we do that pattern again. F, C, G, C. Now we have 2 Fs, and a C and G together, two F's, and C and G together. So there you go. That's line 1 of my invention on page 41. Your homework is to figure out line number 2. It's mostly the same. You can do it. Next up, let's look at your theory book. In this one, we should be on page 25. We're doing some note naming practice. So this one I can't really go over in the video with you because I have to see what you answered here and make sure it's all good to go. But I'll just give you a quick reminder on what you're doing on this page. So these are all of the different notes that you need. We know that this one is treble clef G, this is middle C, and this is bass clef F. So you're filling in the blanks over here. Here, I'll give you one for free. This is middle C. So you're gonna write C here, because that's the note, and it's gonna spell the word uncle. And it starts with my uncle. And then you're spelling out C's, F's, and G's in this in this exercise to write a little story. And when you're done filling in your answers, try and read the words and see if it makes sense, because if there's a word that doesn't really make sense, you need to double check your note to make sure that that's the correct note. And you can check over here. Here's a quick little reminder. G, C, F. So you're just practicing reading those notes. So that's it for this video part of your lesson. Like I said, I'm going to make you a listening list of a few songs for piano and a few songs for voice. I want you to pick your top 2 of each, and we'll choose one of each for your recital songs next week, and then we'll keep going with your books as well. Okay, my friend, again, I'm so sorry you hit your head. That's really, really not fun. I hope you're not doing too bad. I hope it's just a little bonk, and then you have a rest and you're feeling good the next day. So check your lesson plan. I'll put the links for all the different songs in there for you. I hope you have a great week, even though you hurt your head a little bit, and I will see you next Wednesday. Take care, kiddo. Have a good one.